Hello guys, ethical hacking interview questions. What is attack graph analysis? Attack graph maps all possible paths an attacker can take in a system. Example, web service to database to internal network to domain controller. Used to identify weakest path. Prioritize security. In red teaming, I map attack paths before exploitation. What is kill chain disruption strategy? Breaking attacker flow at any stage. Kill chain are reconnaissance, initial access, execution, persistence. Defender's goal is stop attacker early. Attacker's goal is bypass detection at each stage. What is asymmetric attack advantage? Attackers need one vulnerability. Defenders must secure everything. Reality, attack cost low, defense cost high. This is why breaches happen. What is attack surface minimization bypass? Even reduced attack surface can be bypassed. Example, only one API exposed, but it has critical flaw. Security not equal to fewer endpoints. Security equal to strong validation. What is implicit trust exploitation? Systems trust internal components without validation. Example, internal API trust request. Attacker inside network can bypass security. What is trust transitivity abuse? Trust relationships extend beyond intended scope. Example, system A trusts B, system B trusts C. So A directly trusts system C. Attack can be compromise C to access A. What is data flow manipulation attack? Altering how data flows through system. Example, modify API response, inject malicious data. It leads to logic bypass and privilege escalation. What is state manipulation vulnerability? Changing application state unexpectedly. Example, skip payment step, directly access success page. It is business logic flaw. What is distributed system inconsistency attack? Different services have inconsistent data or state. Example, payment service says paid, order service not paid. It is exploit mismatch. What is eventual consistency abuse? Distributed systems update data with delay. Attack can be perform action before system syncs. Example, double spending. What is rate limit bypass at scale? Bypassing rate limits using distributed methods. Techniques are multiple IPs, botnets, brute force become possible. What is API abuse at scale? Exploiting APIs with automation. Example, mass account creation, data scraping. It is often overlooked. What is anti-automation bypass? Bypassing protections like CAPTCHA. Methods can be CAPTCHA solving services, machine learning based bypass. What is large scale credential attack strategy? Steps are collect leak credentials, use credential stuffing, automate login attempts. Real world breaches happen this way. What is data correlation attack? Combining multiple data sources, example, public data with leaked data and identify user. It increases attack success. What is behavior mimicry attack? Attackers mimic normal user behavior. Example, same login pattern, same request timing. It avoids detection. What is long-term persistent strategy? Maintaining access without detection. Methods can be used multiple backdoors, token persistent, schedule task. What is tail data exfiltration strategy? Avoid detection while stealing data. Techniques can be slow exfiltration, encrypt data, use normal traffic. What is adaptive attack strategy? Attacker changes approach based on defenses. Example, if block, try new method. It is dynamic attack. What is full strategic attack mindset? Real attacker thinking. Steps. Identify weakest entry point. Gain initial access. Expand access. Maintain persistence. Avoid detection. Exfiltrate data. Not tool based. Should be strategy based. Thank you.